Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be showing you where to find your micro SIM card in your Getac F110 G2 tablet. It's a pretty common question we've been getting. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. You have to remove this battery door. To do so, there are 3 tabs. You want to make sure each of them is pushed to the unlock icon. Then you'll be able to lift up the door and remove it. And that'll expose your batteries. This one only has 1 battery in it. And you just want to pull the tab and lift to remove that. Underneath the battery there, you'll see the micro SIM slot. And now you can remove and replace. Since there's nothing wrong with this one, I'll put that right back. When putting everything back together, you just want to make sure that these little yellow caution tabs are facing up and that you put the battery underneath them. And you can close up that battery door and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.